New year, new software is the saying, right? If not, it should be one, and Galaxy Watch owners can celebrate the moment. Samsung is sending out updates to the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 6 lines to kick off 2025. If you own a Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, or Galaxy Watch 6, you should have new software available to download. The updates are minor and improved the stability and reliability, according to changelogs, so don't expect a bunch of new features. They don't even appear to bring new security patches either, which is odd. For those looking for builds to see if you're already on the new versions or need to be, here are the version numbers. Galaxy Watch Ultra, L705 and KQ1AXL6. Galaxy Watch 7, L310XXU1AXL1. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, R960XXU1BXL2. Galaxy Watch 6, R940XXU1BXL2. To check for updates, head into the Galaxy Wear app. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Simmyideas Tech Hub on X, Facebook, WhatsApp, Threads, and Google News. For the latest videos on gadgets and tech, subscribe to our YouTube channel.